Hello everyone, welcome back once again. Today I am going to take a session on attribute based adjustment on a list price of the standalone product. So my colleague already described how you are going to create a attribute pick list and associate with the category definition and lastly how associate with the product, right? So today, even though I have put here the steps how we are going to create a pick list, all right? So you can follow the steps and able to create attribute and associate with the product. So what I am going to show as a demo, this is the standalone product, this is the list price, and these are the attribute types. And 35L is the default pick list attribute value selected, and it's a price, right? Later, I mean, if you are going to select it, this uh, ha- will be the charts, and the 75L, this will be the chart, right? So the concept is price attribute based adjustment. This is the uh, a related object of the product. So while you are configuring attribute based adjustment, so what does basically it, whatever the list price of the product and whatever you are going to define based on the type, percentage, amount, override, so the amount will be subtract from the list price of the product. Let's suppose a 10%, if you are going to define the 10% adjustment happen from the list price of the product amount, that amount will going to subtract from the list price. Override, list price will going to override with this value. So this is how the attribute based adjustment is going to work. So let's go and create a new pick list value, and we'll show you how it will uh, adjustment happen during the selection of the attribute, right? So let's go on the demo and we'll show you. This is the bundle type product, where this is the components, and this is the standalone product where the attributes will going to select it, right? So what you have to do first, this is the pick list. I already created it, and these are the currently we have the pick list value, right? So I'm going to add a one new, that is the 75L, right? Right. Once done, then come here, product and related object, where you can create the attribute based adjustment, right? So I'm going to create a new. You have to select the one sales model adjustment. How much amount you are going to adjust? I Let's see. This is the adjustment type. If you want to percentage amount override, based on the type, the adjustment will happen. So I'm going to over adjustment 200. Let's see. No, I'm going to put the 300, right? So that amount will going to adjust from the list price of the product. Why no, it will be a start this one. Go to the next. Here you have to define on which pick list value if you are going to select it, and that amount will be adjustment. So I am selecting a 75, right? 300, and this is the, if you see the list price of the product 500. So when you have created it, very important, go to in the setup menu, where this is the Salesforce pricing setup where you can click on the sync button. So price will update it. So it's done. Now I am going to browse the catalog where you can see the attributes. So this is the catalog we have created. I am configuring it. This is the accessories where this is the standalone product, right? So if you see, one second, I am going to select it, and if you see 35L, this is the default one selected 500. So if you click on it and you see this is the attribute pick list value, right? So if I'm going to select it, which we have created recently, and 300 will be adjustment from the pick list, from the list price. So see, the 300 will be adjustment happened from the list price. So list price is the 500 and 300 adjustment. So it's got a change 200, right? And there is a two quantity, so 400. So this is how the attribute based adjustment is going to work while you configuring the bundle standalone product. Thank you so much. We will meet in next session. If you have any concern or question, please drop the message in notebook, uh, comment, and then I will reply you. Thank you so much. Bye.